Let's make butterfly pea syrup. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make butterfly pea syrup. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this recipe. When I first heard of butterfly pea, I heard about it in the context of a gin that became very popular for a moment. It may still be popular, but I don't drink it, so I don't know. And the first thing that came to my mind when I heard butterfly pea was little tiny urinals and how do they collect enough to make a gin. Later on I kind of figured out, yeah, that's probably a plant of some sort, and in fact it is. It's a legume that comes from Thailand. So butterfly pea is not butterfly pea, it's butterfly pea. All that aside, I decided to make a syrup out of butterfly pea. So I did what I normally do when coming up with a new syrup recipe, and I looked it up online, and I only found a couple of different recipes. So it was a pretty easy decision, and like a lot of syrup recipes, it comes down proportions. In this case, we're going to do 2 to 2 to 1. 2 parts water, 2 parts sugar, and 1 part butterfly pea flour. You can also make butterfly pea syrup from butterfly pea flour powder, but that was one step that they take it that I don't think needs to be taken, so I'm going to go with the flour rather than the powder. Because we're going with the proportions of 2 to 2 to 1, I'm going to go with 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, and 1/2 cup of butterfly pea flour. And to start, we are going to boil the water. I've got 1 cup here in my handy dandy measuring container. I'm going to put that in my saucepan, and I'm going to take it over to the stovetop. Here at the stovetop, we're going to bring the water to a gentle boil. Let's do it over medium heat. I'll be right back with you. Now that we have a gentle boil going, I'm going to remove it from the heat, and I'm going to stir in my butterfly pea flour. And I'm going to let this sit. Well, I'm going to stir it in. And I'm going to let this steep, the flour steep in here, for 10 to 15 minutes. I like to go 15 minutes, but if you can't hold it that long, 10 minutes should be fine. And I'll be back with you. Oh, and I'm going to cover it. I'll be back with you in just a moment. Okay, 15 minutes later, I'm going to strain the flours out. I'm going to wipe out the pot quick, because I want to get the rest of that flour out of there. I'm going to pour the flour pea water into the saucepan again. I'm going to grab my sugar, add the sugar, turn on a medium heat again, and I'm going to stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Sugar dissolved, I'm going to remove from the heat again, and I'm going to allow it to cool to room temperature. We'll see in a bit. Now that our butterfly pea flour syrup has cooled, there's only one thing left to do, and that is bottle, label, and refrigerate. And note that I have these cool little bottles. I love these syrup bottles. They are actually called maple syrup bottles, and they are available on Amazon. I'll have a link down below if you want to check them out. Note that it is an affiliate link, so if you click on it and order some of these bottles, I will get a little bit of a kickback. It shouldn't cost you anything more. It just means that you get to steal a little bit from Amazon and give it to me instead. So, maple syrup bottles. A funnel. Let's see how this goes. I mean, it'll go fine. Oh, that is a rich color. Maybe it could have done a little less time with the pea flowers, the butterfly pea flowers. It's like a midnight blue. It's just gorgeous. I thought I would, well, maybe I can get that all in there. Maybe not. I may put a little bit in this bottle here too. Oh, I could, maybe not. Yeah, wasted bottle. But we'll use that syrup anyway. Okay. Set that aside. Masking tape, because I've got a fancy bottle. I need something less fancy for the tape. And we have, well, let's put it on the bottle first. Fits perfect. We have butterfly pea syrup, 1 to 1 to 1. And today's date is 03 August 2025. And that's horrible writing. I know what I mean. And there you have it. Butterfly pea syrup. Enjoy. Question of the day. What kind of cocktail do you think I could use this for? I have 2 ideas myself. I'd like to hear yours though, so if you have a suggestion, leave them in the comments down below. Note there, always support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. I'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, enjoy.